CCTV. The American piano of Anissa. Or down for Najatum. Tell party. What I say, Wajatum. Tell party. Party Ajatum. Or down for Jimudi. Monty Tum. City TV. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place mission. Blaster place. Ghana local place. All will be a City TV. City.
Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Shall we please be outstanding for the national anthem of Ghana? Thank you very much.
Before 50 years of swag, and somehow the truth is still asking for more. I feel like there's something still missing. There is something still missing in our sporting pulse. There is something still missing between the bank and then the badge. Growing up, I see young players who play for the love. I see young athletes who bled for the crest and not for the day. A young boy scored 2 goals and is not even thinking of lifting the trophy. He's thinking of the next available flight ticket to the next lower league outside just to go and seek greener pasture. No, not that he doesn't meet the standard of our league or our capacity, but the clubs cannot do away with that sale. Government is now doing it best, but trust me, government alone cannot build a building that is leaking from every corner. Oh, we branded them the least finance force as if government has committed a crime. Tell me, how many times have you picked the camera to go and cover them without demanding for transport or solid once in a time? We declined them of the coverage and we sat down and complained about their decline. Our journalism today is now dancing to a new rhythm. A rhythm where credibility is supposed to be our highest currency, but it's now traded. The measurement of success in the newsroom has now moved to what is trending and who is telling the truth. The headline is now more bigger than the main story. Fake news now travel in the speed of a light, where factual analysis is still standing by the wayside waiting for a lift. But today, Sankofa whispers, reminding us of where our elders stood. The legends like Kwabena Yoba told us the news in purity and in truth. He made us love the sports before social media changed our mood. This
pray every now and then. Maybe put them in our presence and we see.
Shall we have the highlights for the 2024 edition of the Swag Hours Night?
Thank you very much, Mr. MC. Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Asamoah Gyan, let me personally celebrate you for doing us the honors